Moving on, the court has scheduled the hearing for Rania Rao's bail application for today at 3 p.m. The proceedings will take place in the Special Court for Economic Offences, where both the defence and prosecution will present their arguments regarding the bail plea. The plea emphasises her cooperation with the investigation and asserts that she poses no flight risk as well. In fact, the defence also highlights her established career in the film industry and her deep-rooted ties to the community as factors supporting her bail request. Meanwhile, Rania Rao's father, DGP Ramachandra Rao, first reaction has come in on the alleged gold smuggling case. He said, and I'm going to quote him here, that I was also shocked and devastated when such an incident came to my notice through the media. I was not aware of any of these things. Like any other father, I was also shocked. She is not living with us. She is living separately with her husband. There must be some problem between them due to some family issues. Anyway, the law will do its job. There is no black mark in my career. I don't want to say anything more about this. Meanwhile, the Enforcement Directorate is likely to step in after massive gold and cash seizure at actor Rania Rao's residence. Authorities have seized large quantities of gold and crores in cash from her possession, raising several concerns about illegal financial dealings. The Directorate of Revenue Intelligence first discovered gold at the airport, which led them to raid Rania Rao's flat as well. In fact, the search was conducted at an apartment on Level Road, where officials uncovered a massive stash of cash and gold from her. During the raid at Rania Rao's house in Bengaluru's Level Road, officials found 2.67 crores of rupees in cash and 2.06 kilograms of gold. Rania Rao, who arrived from Dubai, was caught with 14 kilograms of gold bars hidden in a belt strapped to her body. Rania Rao, in fact, had reportedly made over 10 trips abroad this year itself. Now, the DRI officials became suspicious after noticing her multiple short-duration visits to the Gulf. Rania Rao reportedly wore similar attire during all trips with a hidden belt to conceal the gold bars. Rania reportedly managed to bypass frisking and physical screening at the airport by taking advantage of official protocol services meant for senior bureaucrats. A protocol officer would reportedly meet her at the terminal and escort her out, since she claimed to be the daughter of a DGP. Meanwhile, DGP K. Ramachandra Rao has given his first reaction about this particular incident already.